how's it going today, guys? This is Eric again, doing another product review. This time on the new Hybrid Audio Technologies Unity series. In particular, we're going to be talking about the Hybrid Audio Technologies Unity U6-S Shallow. If you're familiar with the standard Unity speakers, this looks very familiar. Same cutouts, same overall design, same paper cone, which is water resistant, not waterproof, but water resistant. And the biggest difference is now that it's shallow mount. The mounting depth is 1 3/4 inches and uses a neo magnet to achieve that, and it's extremely lightweight. I don't have the exact weight, but I mean, this is probably one of the lightest shallow mount drivers I've used in particular. 6.5-inch driver. As with most hybrid audio technology speakers, you have the inverted surround, and it uses the same standard voice coil. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's an aluminum voice coil from the standard Unity speakers. The biggest or the most popular reason why you would probably want to go with one of the shallow mounts is in a lot of these newer vehicles, the motors for the window regulators are right around, sometimes an inch, if not less, right behind the actual driver. A lot of the aftermarket drivers on the market, of course, you're going to have a larger magnet structure, which means increased mounting depth. And then a lot of times you have to build out so far that a lot of times you have to either do custom door panels or have the driver right against the door panel, which can cause vibration and other things like that. So with the ease of installation, they came out with the Unity Shallows. And I mean, these things are extremely impressive. You get the same performance that you get out of your standard Unity with much lighter, and the mounting depth is just, it's ridiculous. This is almost like a factory drop-in replacement in most applications. Not all, but most. Right here I have a LaGuardia special edition driver. You guys might know this. These are very, very popular for the sound quality guys. A lot of guys on the IASCA circuit run these drivers, and they're very, very popular. But I just wanted to kind of do a size comparison of these two drivers. The driver itself is almost on par with just the magnet structure of these. Now, as far as performance, the Unity is a very, very well performing driver, but I don't want you guys to think that I'm comparing a LaGuardia special edition to the Unity. That's not what I'm here. I'm just doing a size comparison. You can get these now at your local hybrid audio dealer or audiointensity.com. I think they're one of 2 authorized online dealers that you can get hybrid audio technologies products from. Or you can just call Hybrid Audio Technologies and order direct. I think you can do that. But yeah, these are some really, really nice drivers. Like I said, it's paper cone. It does not have a face plug like the LaGuardia series, the standard dust cap. The power handling is the same, around 80 to 100 watts, like your standard Unity. There's, like I said, the mounting holes are the same. So if you did have a standard Unity and you wanted to upgrade to the shallows, the holes are the same. So you wouldn't have to worry about, adding new holes or anything like that. And for a price of around $350 retail, you get a lot of performance, and the price is not bad. Now, if you wanted to use them as a component set, you can, mate these with the Hybrid Audio Technologies passive two-way crossovers and Unity tweeters. But these are sold as a la carte set, so you're only going to get the mid-bass drivers, but you can pair them with the crossovers and tweeters. But yeah, very, very impressive and well built. See the neo magnet, super lightweight. It's a very, very impressive driver. Craftsmanship is top notch. So yeah, So if you're in the market for a low profile driver where you don't have to do much modifications to the door panel, you definitely might want to check these guys out. The hybrid audio U6-S 6.5-inch mid-bass pair from Hybrid Audio Technologies. I'll give them a check out. And like I said, if you have like one of these newer Toyotas or Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge vehicles, you don't want to have to push them out too far, you can give the Unity. And they also make a 6x9 version that is shallow as well. They're called the U69-S. So like I said, if you do have a Toyota, it has a factory 6x9 in the door, or like for instance, like a new Dodge Ram that has a 6x9 in the door, they do make a 6x9 version of this driver as well. So you do have plenty of options. And they recently come out with the Unity 2 and 3-inch drivers. So if you have like for instance Toyota or some of the new GMs that have your mid-range, or you call it the middler or twiddler in the dash, you can run the new Unity 2 or 3-inch in your factory locations as well. And they're wideband drivers. So yeah, you should definitely give them a check out. Hybrid-audio.com is the website. You can look at the specs and see what they have for your vehicle and give them a check out. But like I said, these are really, really impressive drivers. And for $350, I mean, the performance that you're going to get out of these, I mean, look at the Spider. I mean, everything is really, 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 really nice. So yeah, well built. So yeah, that's it. Until next time, guys, take care and have a blessed week, and happy Memorial Day.